Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Phantom Wallet secure guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Phantom Wallet website. Once the site has loaded, locate the login button on the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Phantom Wallet account. Next, type in your password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, paying attention to capitalization. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once all details are filled in, click the Login button to proceed. A security verification may be prompted. Follow the instructions on the screen. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your authentication app for the code. Enter the code in the provided field. After successful authentication, you will be logged into your Phantom Wallet. Take a moment to review your account settings for any necessary updates. Always ensure you are using a secure network when accessing your wallet. Log out of your account after use, especially on shared or public devices. Your Phantom Wallet is now ready for secure transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.